Since lockdown started, I started giving you solutions so that you can make videos yourself without any extra help. Now I believe is the time to present a solution that is easy for you. With just one click, you should be able to make awesome videos, and just with one click, you should be able to publish your videos. Basically what I am saying, there should be no need to edit your videos. In fact, this video that you are looking now is recorded in that manner only. And you can judge this video with its quality. Quality can be visual, audio. You can judge it in any terms and you will find it really useful. So in this video, I am going to show you the hardware, the setup that is required to make this type of educational video. I believe by now you have realized that this screen is not true screen. I am presenting in front of chroma key, and I believe if you have watched my videos, you know what is chroma. So right now you can see chroma is replaced with some other image, and that is in real time. I haven't done any editing in order to record this video. But this is not just the feature of this particular setup. I want to show you more, a complete setup that will help you make videos of any kind. So right now this is talking head. But let us say I don't want to make talking head. I want to present slides. Then what? The same setup with one click is now converted to slide. So you can see there is a slide and me looking at camera. You will feel that I am talking to you, and with my laptop I will simply present my slides. There is no problem in that. I'll present my slides because this is PowerPoint and this is touchscreen laptop. I can actually use this pen to write on this screen. You can see I can write on this screen. This feature is available in this hardware, in this software setup that ET Mantra is going to provide to you. Similarly, if I want to teach a software, I can do it easily. Softwares are generally presented in big screen. So right now, let us say this software. I believe you know this software also because I have talked about this software. This is Inkscape. I want to teach Inkscape to you. Then, with one click, with the same setup, as you can see, the software is there, my video is there, and what I need to do, I can now explain the software. For example, I am working on these menus. See, I am working on these menus. It's visible along with my face. Otherwise, I would have to do a lot of editing work. And by now, you know how much editing is required if you want to get same result in general setting. So you may be wondering, if this is not real, the video that you are seeing is not real, then what is the real setup? I will show the real setup to you, and this is the real setup. As you can see, there is this camera which is focusing on me, and now you can see everything. You can see that chair is there. The same chair you can see on that screen. Similarly, you can see this table. The table is not coming there. You can see this is generic office, as office looks. There are many things, but what is visible? My video is absolutely clean and coming very crispy. So basically what I am saying that with this setup, you can actually broadcast yourself. Yes, not only just record and edit your video, but you can also broadcast yourself live on YouTube or Facebook, or you can make a video and after you create your video, you can simply publish it online without any problem. This setup not only allow you to record video with one click, but it also allow you to see what is coming in your final video. With the help of this display that is in front of me, I can check if my video is getting recorded properly so that I don't make any mistake. I know that if there is a mistake, I will stop and again change some setting and then I will get back to this screen. Isn't it looking professional? So it has everything. You have live view, you have camera, and camera's quality is awesome. And if you have noticed, I am using only one light. With just one light, you can actually record yourself in a much better way. You don't need 3 light setup. A basic light in your office will work. And if you have noticed, there's a AC, and that AC is making a lot of noise, and it's a small room. That noise is not getting recorded in my final video. Now you can listen to the noise that is coming from this AC. This setup does not need any kind of voice processing, audio processing in order to improve its quality. Just record, publish, record, publish, record, publish. It improves your productivity. And because it improves your productivity, you can focus only on one thing, that is educational video creation. So now I believe you understand what will be the result. But let's now see what will you get with this setup so that you understand everything about it. And it comes with the guarantee of ET Mantra. We will never let you down. We will help you in any possible way, in every possible way, so that your video making does not stop and you come out as the best in your stream. So this is our setup. You may be wondering that setup will be really big or something like that. No, just 3-4 devices, that's all. These 3-4 devices help you to record your video in good quality, audio in good quality, and this is what I used to make the video that you just saw. So what is this? Let me show you. So as you can see, this is a cabinet. This is our main computer. Everything is there. All hardwares which is required to give it power. Software are installed in it. And then general keyboard, mouse are required. And this is a magic device. This is our audio recorder. I was using this audio recorder. I was using this here, and it was hidden inside my clothes. And this antenna was sending the signal from that room to in this device. And this is how I was recording my audio in good quality. Then this monitor actually helps you to control. It's not necessary to put this system in a control room. Like right now you can see that is the recording room and this is control room. It's not necessary. What you can do, you can keep that controlling unit also with you, and this way also you can control yourself. And how easy it to control, let me just show you. It's very easy to control. See, everything that is currently visible is presented on that screen. You can see it now. So that screen is in front of the author. So teacher will see that screen all the time. And when you or any teacher wants to change the screen, it's very easy. Simply click on a different setup and it's that easy. You can see that screen just changed. Let me now select a different thing. You can see that is changed there too. See, this is how you can change the scenes. And as I said, you can't only record the video, but you can also stream the video from here only. You can stream your video on YouTube. You can stream your videos on Facebook. So this is also possible with this setup itself. So you assume that your teacher is there and one person is sitting outside and he or she is controlling either recording or streaming, and teacher can also see everything on this screen. And what I have demonstrated is just a small feature of this complete unit. You can achieve much more from this setup. What you just saw was the controlling unit, but actual thing is here in front of me. That is this camera. You can see this camera, this black camera. This is a camera that can be connected to laptop, desktop with the help of USB. Right now it is connected to my controlling unit. And good thing about is this, I can control with this remote. So with the help of this remote, I can zoom in, zoom out my face as per my requirements. So for example, see, I am now going to zoom. So this will zoom my face. You can see the final video here. I am zooming in. Now I am zooming out. See, it's that easy. So with the help of this remote, I can control my angle, my position into the screen, and I do not need to get up. This way, every time, I am simply focusing on creating educational content rather than setting the devices, hardware, and arranging other elements of this setup. So now you know everything about this setup. You know about the controlling thing, you know about the camera, the mic, and what result will you get from this setup. Now I believe you may want to install this in your college or your coaching center, or even if you are an individual teacher, you may want to get it installed on your home or home studio. For that, you just need to click on the link that is given in the description of this video. Fill that form. Our representative will call you to give you more detail about this setup and install it in your coaching, college or home. Now I will see you in my next video where I will present one more technology or one more tool that will be helpful for teachers. Namaste.